Tekmon app helps us a lot.
I say it's a very positive experience.
So before, from what I've seen, is very heavily sort of paper driven. Essentially it's not efficient, so you had to wait for after possessions, getting paperwork. Now people can log on remotely and look at information, so assurance records real time. So it's a real benefit, and multiple stakeholders can access information and make decisions as well. So it's great.
It is straightforward. We're able to attach photos. We're able to see where we're exceeding LU standards with regards to actually getting the information, knowing our exceedances then and there when we're inputting the data. James Field, I work for London Underground as a senior design and compliance engineer.
Tekmon app is, I say it's a very positive experience, and especially cutting down on the paperwork. Historically, we had to print massive packs. Now we can complete it in real time, and also if there's any errors or something is not right, they can actually spot it as well on it. So it's like a double redundancy built in as well.
So Tekmon app helps us a lot. We've been able to use it on site and in the office. It takes less time from our working time. With the app, it's simple, it's very easy to use. Anyone else from the teams, they can see the state of the work site, what has been accomplished on the work site.
Okay, so one of the biggest improvements we've got here is the introduction of an app called Tekmon. The delivery engineers will be on site. They'll be taking their as-built using their iPads. They'll be able to type in the readings they've taken, which then gets submitted through the Tekmon app to myself. I'll receive a notification via email. I can then log in, have a look at the readings that they've produced, and at point of receipt, and either accept or reject it at point of delivery.
Dan Quant, Quality Manager for the BTT programme. With Tekmon, it's essentially given a digitised sort of framework for the communication between site and the office. So anything that is raised on site can be viewed remotely, so it increases the communication, the information flow seamlessly.